Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Gumba arpo metrik ton Sohniamtra Khasi Mandarin lapenkit bat shalan sha Dubai. Kawai ni kinong ba papaw hakatain Middle East kabadan United Arab Emirates. Ya kakali kabakit yun Sohniamtra Khasi ya balatip na kakerteng Khasi Mandarin la kawe lama na IATC operasyonong hakalas ngiu balay kakhatway trik unok pra arajar arpulai haga jingedon lang ke menteri ke bapet ya ketanat ke rep karyang ke Dr. Mazel Amperin Lyngba nalor u MLA ke Melim constituency uba Roni V Lyngba uba dairu nongelam kaliang persya hayeng dor bartawan ke Jylla lembat kiwei ki head officer haga ni kasngi le dan langru ki bami khmat ya ke kinhon apeda bat lulu group ki balabatai syapang kilat kilenti bat kajing trailang ki bapen poi sya uni uput bat penkeo ya kajing shalan ya ki marep syabar jong keri haba ajing keren lingkot hagani kasngi nakaliang kokong amperin kalapen pau ya kajing kemen bat pen pau ya kajing kot jingmot scam ke Sorkar ban kersan ya ki nong rep bat ajing kermen ban nang pen klan syasyo ya kajing penkeo ya ka kamrep kamriang bat ban pen klan ya kajing yate haka khai pateng bat ki weipan kiri kani ka jingjob ban penyat yo yu Sohniamtra kalalong ka wei ka jingla ban penpoi ka thong ban nang penkeu ye ki marep maryang na kani ka than ban poi ki rensan ya de ya thet haka perthei ka ban penkeu ru ya ka yo ka kon bat ka rokom rem ka ban ne haka ni ka Jylla.
Today we are like talking of 20 metric tons. If you look at farmers' benefit, you're looking at a good 20 to 25 lakh economics. And when you're looking at a marketing, by the time it reaches across the seas, into a faraway land, we are going to be looking at about approximately under 50 lakhs of business. And this is just for one product. One product in isolation. We've not looked at the pineapple. We've not looked at the spices. We've not looked at other fruit materials like jackfruit. We've not looked at the potential of our jams, our juices. And for me, this journey of 8 months in this department has taken me to a big eye-opening realization that one day very shortly we will be producing potatoes of high quality for chip making and vegetables. We will go places together and we will show the people of the state of Meghalaya that you can go places. You may be a small state of 30 plus lakh people, but we can be a voice in this nation and we can make a difference and we can make sure that everybody stops complaining that I don't have a job when there is so much for everyone to do. Point is, will you do your job? It is to be seen, to be tested. But for those that have tested and have become successful, please speak about your success and show others who may not understand that it is all possible. Thank you to APEDA and all that you do. And God bless this beautiful state of Meghalaya. Jai Hind, Kublai Mithila.